So the rumor, the promotion of Silver Sevens becoming the Continental slowly just died out. There's no signs of it. There's no talk of it. Nobody knows anything about it. Ask the employees. They like, well, what? They never know anything. I asked someone at the registration, what about this becoming the Continental? What happened to all the signage? She said, we had no idea what you're talking about. All I'm worried about is, am I going to get a paycheck? Oh, okay. There's that guy. That's the same guy I saw in Virgin with that dog. Hey, I bet he'd like that. Ooh, that's a good pickup right there. Why is that there? This is where the big sign was right here, Continental. It was huge. I may have to find that if I remember. So what's going on here? What's these black curtains for? They're watching dirty videos in here or something? Huh. I don't know. What's up with this black curtain? They're behind the black curtain. She wore her pajamas. Well, as far as you know, I'm wearing my pajamas. Nobody would care. Yeah, I don't know what the curtain's for. Okay, I think this is a $5 electronic wraps. Let's check it out. Yeah, $5. 3, 4, 5 odds. They have one more craps over here. They used to have craps in that room right there, and they just totally made that a slot room. Not like the Bunny Hill slot room, but the regular slot room. And then this is their other machine, $3 bubble, regular craps. $3 roulette machine. This is blackjack. More roulette. They don't have any. Well, see, they've got these electronic blackjack machines that use a live dealer. So they're pretty cool, real cool actually. What's the minimum? $5. Yeah, this is just as good as any $5 live regular blackjack because you got real cards and you got a real dealer. Well, that guy's about to deal somebody, but nobody's coming. He's hoping for business, and he deals real cards. The only difference is you get to see your cards on your screen right here.
Are you trying to play?
No, I'm just I'm looking at it.
Looking at it? Okay. If you have any questions, we actually have this machine and that one.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Evidently, I looked confused. So anyway, it's a regular blackjack table, but it's electronic version, so you don't have to put your money out for the dealer. It's a really great invention. Put it in the machine. To be truthful, I think it's going to probably go away because it's not very popular. Neither was electronic craps, though, at first. There was an electronic crap. The first time I saw electronic craps was Bill's, the old Barbary Coast, which is now Cromwell. They had the electronic craps, and it was absolutely pathetic. Because they weren't ready for it. They weren't ready for how to get the money in the machines and how to get the game going. And it went away for a while, and then it came back when they figured it out. So the sportsbook is operated by William Hill. You can cash your ticket more places than any other sportsbook with William Hill. More places. Downtown, the Strip, Laughlin, Reno, Lake Tahoe, Carson City. Somebody name some more Nevada cities. Yeah. So the question is, do you want to sit here and watch your game or not? This is a very smoky sportsbook, I gotta say. Well, this whole casino is a smoke out. You could bring some barbecued ribs in here and just sit them right there on the carpet and come back in 6 hours and they'd be delicious. Wow, they keep messing this room up. This used to be highly popular. Ooh, they got a real table over there. I wonder if it's ever used. Three to two. That's good. Dealer must hit on a soft 17. Yeah, well, that's pretty common. Because it's hardly ever soft 17. That means there's no face card. So a queen and a 7, they don't have to hit on that. They have to hit if they ended up getting 3 cards and it added up to 17. like or a 9 and an 8. They have to hit on a 9 and an 8. This is another place that I think doesn't have good marketing. It has a lot of potential, but just nothing. Just can't get it going. Actually, a very nice swimming pool. Look at that, a cabana with a television. No refrigerator. Yeah, that's a start. Paradise pool. I think they resurfaced this pool over the winter. I know they had drained it. It looks brand new. It looks nice. Yeah, this is what the cabana looks like. You don't get 100% shade, but you get about 95%. And then there's your television. Always gotta have a television. Yeah, they were going to remodel this entire, they were going to do the rooms and the casino, and it was going to become the Continental. It's dark 30 right here. I mean, dark 30. Dark 45. They were going to do some remodeling. They certainly haven't started. Convenience store is closed.
Not forever, it's just a smoke break.
Girl in pajamas is still there.